There is a common misconception that eating eggs is dangerous, but that's not true. Eggs, on the other hand, are safe and healthy. Eggs are a good source of protein and contain vitamins A, D, and E, B12, riboflavin, and folate, as well as minerals such as iodine, iron, calcium, zinc, and selenium, and most people can eat several eggs a day without their cholesterol levels being adversely affected. This is what happens to the body when you eat 2 eggs every day. Below we list of good reasons to eat eggs every day. Eggs have many incredible health benefits and are considered by many experts to be an important part of the daily diet. It is widely available, extremely versatile, and an inexpensive source of protein. In addition, eggs are rich in amino acids, iron, and vitamins. We should eat the whole egg, as long as you're not allergic. Of course, egg white contains a lot of protein while the yolk contains a lot of nutrients. When purchasing, it is better to buy organic eggs. They do not contain antibiotics, hormones, or other byproducts. When it comes to the color of the egg, it doesn't matter much. The color depends on the type of chicken the egg comes from, but the nutritional value always remains the same, regardless of the color. Good for your nervous system and metabolism. Eggs are rich in vitamin B12, which is necessary for metabolism and the formation of blood cells. It is also necessary for the nervous system, immune defense, and muscle mass. Eggs contain amino acids, which build proteins. Proteins, in turn, are the building blocks of the body. They are used to build and repair all tissues in the body and therefore play an important role in almost all processes occurring in the body: immune defense, muscle building, hormonal functions, and enzyme reactions. Good for the eyes and sight. The yolk contains vitamin A, lutein, and zeaxanthin, all of which is good for vision. They also protect against macular degeneration, which is the most common cause of vision loss in people over the age of 50. Stabilizes the weight. Eggs, as mentioned earlier, are a good source of protein. Many studies show that high-protein diets help you feel fuller and keep you from overeating. Good for your skeleton and mood. The egg yolk contains a lot of vitamin D, which is important for strong bones. There are also many people who suffer from the so-called autumn depression. Often a deficiency of vitamin D also plays a role in this. Eat eggs every day, and you'll likely be happier and more energetic. Improves memory. Egg yolks contain the amino acid choline, which influences the nerve signals that help us remember the little things like where we put our car keys or cell phone. Studies show that adding choline to your diet improves memory and responsiveness. Strengthens bones and teeth. Eggs are rich in vitamin D, which regulates the levels of calcium and phosphorus in the blood. Eating eggs also helps the body absorb calcium, which strengthens bones and prevents osteoporosis. You may already know that eggs are good for you, but did you know that they are so important and beneficial?